The man, the myth, and the legend himself, MS Dhoni. Everyone knows that he has a passion about bikes and it is quite famous, but not a lot of people know that he also is passionate about watches. And he is also the ambassador of Panerai in India. Before we get into the watches that him and Panerai have collaborated together, let's first talk about the brand Panerai. Panerai is not German, not Swiss, but an Italian watch brand with a rich history that dates back to 1860. It was founded in Florence by Giovanni Panerai and it originally supplied precision instruments to the Royal Italian Navy. Their watches were known for their exceptional durability and luminous dials designed for underwater missions. As I said, they're an Italian brand, so their watches are a blend of, the Italian design but with Swiss technology. और कोई पैनेराई की वॉच को आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है बिकॉज दे हैव सच डिस्टिंक्टिव डिज़ाइन फीचर्स like the cushion shaped dial and also the protective bridge over the crown, which is also visible in the collaboration models with Dhoni. Now that we know a little bit about the watch, let's talk about the man of the hour himself, MS Dhoni. Why did Panerai choose Dhoni for this collaboration and as their ambassador? Since the early 1900s, the brand has been synonymous with tough as nails watches, built to survive the most grueling of conditions. And the ambassadors of the brand exhibit similar traits. From adventurer Mike Horn, who has literally traveled pole to pole, to Guillaume Neri, I am trying so hard to pronounce that right, who is a freediving champion. The people associated with Panerai are exceptional examples of peak human capabilities. MS Dhoni, known as Captain Cool, Thala, is not just a cricketing legend but also a global icon. His calm demeanor, leadership qualities, and unparalleled success on the field have earned him a special place in the hearts of millions. Panerai launched not one but two watches in collaboration with Dhoni. First, the Luminor GMT and the Luminor Chrono Flyback. Starting with the Luminor GMT, this timepiece comes enclosed in Panerai's familiar cushion-shaped 44 mm case. और मैं बोल रही थी कि Panerai easily recognizable है, तो ये केस का वो देखो यार, मतलब how can anyone ignore this? This is like one of the tank style watches और ये cushion shape वाले dial, so easily recognizable. The automatic mechanical movement features twin spring barrels and provides the timepiece a power reserve of 3 days. In the Luminor GMT, there is one subdial, the second subdial, and also a date window. Panerai is famous for the luminous displays, so obviously the Luminor GMT has Super Luminova on the hour markers and hands for optimum readability in the dark. Turning the watch over reveals a special engraving of the outline of the Indian peninsula, an inscription that says Mahendra Singh Dhoni 183 and the silhouette of the player. The back also displays his signature. The 183 signifies his career best one-day international score of 183 runs against Sri Lanka. And Dhoni said yes to this collaboration. Why? Because of his love for military. Panerai also has a background in the military because they used to, make those precision tools. Both the watches showcase a military green dial, which is Dhoni's favorite color. The Luminor GMT is water resistant up to 50 meters. Both the MS Dhoni edition watches come with a black alligator leather strap along with an additional military green rubber strap. Dhoni is best known for his composure under extreme pressure, and the Luminor GMT exemplifies this trait with its mighty 300-meter water resistance. And this collaboration between Panerai and Dhoni is not just, someone कि कोई famous के लिए watch बना दी है. They have really taken every single, accomplishment and detail of his life and included it in the watches. Like the 183 on the back, and not only that, but also the Chrono Flyback edition is limited to 77 models, which is a reference to Dhoni's birthday on July 7. While the Steel edition is limited to 251 pieces, which is a reference to him being the 251st player to play Test cricket for India. So you can really see that they have put so much thought and effort into this to make it really, really special just for Dhoni and make it as personal as possible. This collaboration is not just about a watch. It's about celebrating a legend and an iconic brand coming together to create something truly special. ऐसा तो बहुत होता है कि rich people own luxurious watches, but it is so rare कि इतना बड़ा brand कोई प्लेयर के लिए या कोई किसी इंसान के लिए स्पेशली कोई वॉच बनाए, दैट टू विद सो मेनी लिटिल डिटेल्स एंड नॉट जस्ट वन वॉच बट टू वॉचेस इन दिस केस. सो यू कैन रियली सी हाउ धोनी इज ट्रूली लव्ड बाय ऑल. धोनी का जो प्यार है वो मिलिट्री के लिए, इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि लाइक बोलने का है. ही होल्ड्स एन ऑनररी रैंक of Lieutenant Colonel in the Parachute Regiment of the Indian Territorial Army. Unlike his passion for watches, जो उनको थोड़ा later मिला, his love for army was there since his childhood. मतलब उनको बचपन से ही हमेशा army में जाना था. And the rank that he got, it was not as a gift. He is a qualified paratrooper and he has passed all the needed tests for him to get to that rank. And not only that, his love for the army is truly visible through his actions. Like when he was receiving the Padma Bhushan award, he wore his uniform and he marched down to get the award. आपको लग रहा होगा कि मतलब ये इतनी बड़ी बात है, दो वॉचेस रिलीज हो गई कोलैबोरेशन में और पता ही नहीं चला किसी को. He actually became the ambassador in 2018 and that's when all of this happened. बट अभी मेरे को तो अभी पता चल रहा है एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो नाउ, क्योंकि आई स्टिल डोंट थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो अबाउट दिस. सो दैट इज़ वाई कि ये इतना लेट न्यूज़ सा लगे. अब तो 6 साल हो गए. बट हियर इज हिज इंटरव्यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग.
Mark, for a very special occasion, are you a watch guy? I mean, do you always are you glued to the watch?
I'm not glued to the watch, but I love watches. You know, and it's a passion that started much later in my life. First it was the bikes, and there's a reason behind it, you know.
So what's the reason?
Money, you know, because when you start you don't have enough money. So in India, like bikes, when you talk about bikes or motorcycles or super bikes, in the Western world they're more about passion, speed and everything. In India it's more about commute. You know, it takes you from one place to the other place. If you're supposed to go, you can't always take the local transport, but it'll cost. So you have these motorcycles that have so much mileage that, you know, it doesn't put a burden on your pocket. But watches was something that I started getting into much later. It was maybe close to 2005-06. I'd already played for India, and that was a time, you know, with much more exposure. You start to learn about new things, and watches was, you know, that era where, you know, 2005 where I started getting into the watches.
दोनों ने वो जो पैसे का बोला वो तो बहुत सही है, because having a watch collection or even trying to start one is a very expensive hobby and it does take quite a lot of money. So I guess that's the explanation of why he got into watches later. और इतनी सही बात है कि इंडिया में हाँ भाई बाइक्स कोई कूल बनने के लिए तो मतलब बाद में सोचते, पहले तो वही है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कोई पहुंचा दे चीज़ जल्दी, ओ माय गॉड, वही भाई काम हो जाए. और पैसा ही वो रीज़न है कि आज मैं रिएक्ट कर रही हूँ और एक नई वॉच की अनबॉक्सिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज इट इज़ एन एक्सपेंसिव हॉबी. बाहर जो पैशन है वो तो हाँ मतलब बाइक्स का भी उन्होंने सही बोला, बाहर वो लोग पैशन के लिए लेते हैं. और वॉचेस में भी मैंने नोटिस किया है उन लोगों के लिए बजट वॉचेस आर लाइक $150, वॉचेस अंडर $200. ये वैल्यू फॉर मनी वाली वॉचेस बोलते हैं वो, ये है हमारी बजट वॉचेस. और वो इंडिया में ट्रांसलेट करो, दैट्स लाइक अराउंड 15,000 फॉर अ वॉच. तो वो तो बिल्कुल भी बजट नहीं है मतलब हमारे हिसाब से. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वुड नॉट पे दैट मच मनी फॉर अ वॉच which can do the same function as their phone, tell the time. So there is a lot of disparity between anything international and in India.
And you're quite a fan of this brand, and this was the only watch you wore, and you were the only guy they wanted. So how did this collaboration happen?
Well, I've known about Panerai from a very long time, and during 2011 World Cup and much before that, when Gary Kirsten was our coach, we used to have Mike on and off, you know, used to come interact with the team, and he was a brand friend. You call him brand friend. of Panerai, and that was the first time I actually saw a Panerai watch in person. And by in person, I mean where you can say, Mike, can I have a look at your watch? So you can take the watch, you can have a look, and I was very impressed. And that actually got me more inclined towards Panerai. And I started getting more into the history of Panerai and what it was known for. And I was pretty amazed with the fact that Panerai started as a equipment company for the Italian Navy. They supplied diving equipments for the Italian Navy, and I'm very passionate about the defense forces.
Of
so
course.
That actually brought me even more closer. And also the fact that always felt Panerai was very bold, and it was very confident about what it is, unfazed about what people would say, and it has stuck to the heritage that it has. It has a very long heritage. It has gone through the ups and downs, and that's what makes you more and more successful in life, when you go through the ups and the downs at the same time. So yes, Panerai, I've known Panerai for a very, very long time as a brand. But I'm fortunate that today I'm one of the ambassadors when it comes to Panerai.
So the reason that he gave for agreeing with Panerai is the exact reasons why Panerai chose Dhoni, for the same reasons that he is brave, fearless, calm under pressure and such. He says the same thing about them, and they say the same thing about him. Also, you can see that his love for military is really there. That was the first reason that he gave for collaborating with them, because of their history with the Navy. And as Dhoni said, they have stuck to the heritage. वो उनका जो cushion वाला design है, since the start they have been doing that, and so many people could have complained कि वो थोड़ा bulky है, सही नहीं लगता, अजीब लगता है. Still वो लोग अभी भी persistent हैं, अभी भी उनको पता है कि ये हमारा design है, this is our iconic design and we are sticking to it. The ups and downs that he is talking about is when they were in a partnership with Rolex, और अब Rolex उनके साथ नहीं है. So when Rolex left them, they actually declined a lot, like बहुत ज़्यादा low हो गया था उनका सब. But they came back. They are still in the market. They are still a luxurious watch brand, which is actually wanted by a lot of people. So it's not like कि वो खत्म ही हो गए थे after Rolex left them. They came back in the game and they're still strong. This was just a little snippet from their interview. If you do want to check the whole thing out, the link is in my description. That was the video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. And usually I leave the end screen blank. The last 10 seconds are usually blank. But I want to add some quotes of MS Dhoni which have really, just went right through my soul and given me goosebumps. So here they are.